Hi all. Today we can discuss one of application of the graph theory. It is a very famous problem in graph theory and that problem is known as Königsberg bridge problem. This problem was solved by Euler in 1736. The problem is as follows. There are two islands C and D formed by the Prigal River in Königsberg were connected to each other and to the banks A and B with 7 bridges. The problem was to start at any of the 4 land areas of the city A, B, C or D, walk over each of the 7 bridges exactly once and return to the starting point. Note that is without swimming across the river. So we can see the pictorial representation of Königsberg bridge problem. Here I am drawing our river, the Prigal River. Now, suppose that this is our river. The water is flowing like this. Now here we want to draw the island, 2 islands. Suppose this is the land area A, this is the land area B, this is island C and this is the island D. Now we want to draw the 7 bridges also. This is one bridge. This is our second bridge. Now this is the third bridge. This is the fourth bridge. This is our fifth bridge. This is our sixth and this is our seventh bridge. Okay, so here we want to find a walk over each of the 7 bridges exactly once and return to the starting point without swimming across the river. So this is the pictorial representation of our Königsberg bridge problem. Now here we can draw the graphical representation of Königsberg bridge problem like this. So here the land areas are denoted by vertices and bridges are denoted by edges. So this is our land area A, B, C, D and bridges are denoted by the 7 edges. Now this problem is same as drawing figures without lifting the pen from the paper and without retracing a line and reach at the starting point. Euler proved that a solution to this problem does not exist. How was it possible? Now, for that, here we can introduce a term, Euler graph. Euler graph. So, what is an Euler graph? A closed walk that contains all the edges of the graph is called an Euler line and the graph containing an Euler line is called an Euler graph. Now, there is a famous theorem. That theorem says a given connected graph is Euler. A graph G is Euler graph. A graph G is Euler graph if and only if all vertices of G are of even degree. All vertices of G are of even degree. Now, from this figure, from this graphical representation of the 7-bridge problem, here you can see that all the vertices are not of even degree. That means here the graph is not Euler. That means here we cannot find a closed walk that contain all the edges of the graph. That means we cannot find a walk that passing through every bridges exactly once and return to the starting point. Okay. Thank you all. Let us see you later.